So today we're gonna try to tackle this area. It's the front of the bus. We're just trying to do the cosmetic facelift. We should be doing a lot of insulations and stuff like that, but we're gonna just go ahead and make it look nice and be done with it. We purchased 4 different kind of wallpaper.
We decided to go with this brown brick. I think it'll match the floor quite nicely, as well as the back of the bus. This kind of look, I think it'll look quite nice with the rest of the bus.
I want to say a few things about this product. Because of the print of the brick is on the long side, it was very hard to match the lines. Also, the different batch of rolls have different consistency. So if you buy 2 or 3 more, you kind of have to wing it, or you might have to ask for the actual perfect consistency. Also, make sure you put 3D on the right direction. The roll was upside down, so I had to cut it and then put it up. I could not just roll it down to put it on. And we're gonna put the wallpaper on this foil. It's an insulation. It's meant for cars, so it's not really meant for hardcore insulation for houses and stuff like that. So I don't know how good would that be, but yeah, we're not gonna spend too much money or time to get this bus done. We try to make it look nice and good enough to be on the road. She found the inspiration from the one of the Skoolie video we found on the YouTube, and this is the outcome of it. It looks pretty nice.
Last piece. There we go.
What do you think?
I love it.
So definitely this is a DIY no skill person cabinet making. So we used plywood, didn't make it any fancy, used all the recycled materials, and put the 2 plastic bags together to make a big old bag. And what we did is make a little hole in that bag we created, and we used a magnet to prop it up this whole big old bag inside of this whole cavity. I hated to make box cabinets because there's such a big space that maybe we might be able to use it for something. Put, I don't know, snowboard, broom, mop, I don't know, walking stick, whatever. So long stuff or anything. So use the contractor trash bag. So it's 3 ml, so it's thicker. I want it to be thicker than this, but it is what it is. I didn't want to spend any more money, but I have a strong magnet holding it pretty good. So we'll see how it goes. If this doesn't work, just, I don't know, we're gonna fill in with the insulation and close it up.
Ooh, looks good. Then we're gonna throw some binds around it.
Definitely this is not the perfect bus build what you see on YouTube video, but we're having fun doing it. Hopefully somebody like us, little to no skill, start something new and challenge. Have a great day.